Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. I will just dive into the technical analysis and price prediction quickly, guys. And of course, right now, where are we? After hitting the 1.01 around there USDT, now we were going upwards, finding resistance at 1.75, the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement levels. You see all these lines and you are saying, what are those lines? I have started the Fibonacci retracement from the third row on trading view, from this top to this bottom, to find possible resistance levels as we were moving upwards. And I believe that if we just go at 0.618 and make this as our support level, then we will all be fine. But that is not the case, guys. It is very possible. It is very possible that we are heading towards the 96, 97 cents around there if Bitcoin corrects more. I will explain what I mean. And these are our major support levels right now, 1.58, which we want to hold in case Bitcoin goes up quickly and the predictions are wrong, guys. In case Bitcoin goes upwards, then if we break the 0.618 and make it our Fibonacci retracement support level, the 1.93, then we will be looking towards new highs sooner for a Cardano ADA, because ADA for the mid-long term, it is still looking strong, guys. Do not worry about the dip. Do not worry about the correction. It was all manipulation. And of course, guys, you know that we are going upwards. But the thing is, how soon are we going upwards? Do we go right now? Will we have to wait? Let's see the MACD in the 4-hour frame. And we stopped having higher highs and higher lows. Eventually, now we're having lower lows and lower highs, falling down so much, guys. You can see here, we were falling so much down, and therefore we went downwards. Okay, so right now, let's go to the ADA against USDT in the RSI and the commodity channel index. Nothing much to discuss here, nothing much except that we were hoping that we can go somewhere like this and maybe having higher highs and higher lows for the RSI. I don't know if that's the case right now. We don't have any overbought or any oversold situation. We are between 30 and 70 inside this purple area for the relative strength index, and for the commodity channel index as well, we are inside this gray zone, minus 100, and 100 is the top line of the commodity channel index, the default settings. Okay, so we don't have any overbought or any oversold situation according to the SSL channel. Of course, we are not having a buying opportunity, guys. The red line is above the green line as well for the short term, that is. So let's go to ADA against USDT, guys, on the Bollinger Bands. Let me remove these drawings. You can see here how we went to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands in just 1 to 2 days, guys. You can see back here, we were extending the top line, now we were going to the bottom line. This was major, guys. This was a major movement. Let's go to the MACD, and this correction, unfortunately, destroyed many technical analysis. And what I mean by that is that we were having such a great, guys, such a great chart for the MACD, for ADA, of course, and for many other altcoins as well. But we had here this bearish cross that we moved downwards, and now the blue line is beyond the signal line, which means that we might have more of a correction for the short term. So right now the RSI and the commodity channel index are still inside 1370, and what I was talking about that it destroyed the technical analysis is that, guys, we just wanted to make higher lows here. You can see that we were about to have higher lows here. I expected data to move upwards. I didn't expect to have such a quick corrections. I expected that Bitcoin would correct, but not so quickly. That was a pure manipulation, guys. And of course, right now we were going downwards. We might be making lower lows and lower highs for the daily frame for the RSI. This happens as well for the commodity channel index. So things aren't looking good for the short term. Let's go to ADA against Bitcoin in the 4-hour frame. You can see that even though we lost so much, we are still above, we are still performing pretty good, guys, for ADA against Bitcoin in the 4-hour frame, because the 20-day EMA is above the 50-day EMA. We are still rocking fine. What we want to see now for ADA against Bitcoin is to hold, to maintain this position for the daily frame. So yeah, guys, look at this. We are still looking strong. We are still looking good for the mid-long term, because right now where are we, guys? We have so room to grow, and of course we will be making higher lows and higher highs. If we miss that opportunity here line, if we go below this line here, this area around these two support levels, then we could eventually lose our position. But right now, I don't think that's the case, guys. I believe that this is a correction, this is a dip that for the mid-long term you should be buying. Not a financial advice, but this is just my opinion. This is a dip, guys, you should be buying for the mid-long term. But for the short term, we might not have experienced the bottom yet. We might go even to new support levels. I don't think we will go down to 67 cents, but I personally believe that we might even reach some higher support levels. For example, here, guys, we might go to 86 cents. It is very possible to go to 86 cents because I will explain why. In the daily frame, the Bitcoin will just have lower lows. We might move just a bit lower before we can go up. Bull run isn't over yet. Calm down, guys. Bull run isn't over yet. Put up a smile on your face and relax. I know it's difficult to just watch your portfolio going down so much. I know it's difficult days. Most of us experience some losses, but right now what we want to see in order to go upwards is Bitcoin to stop having lower lows and lower highs. Eventually, if Bitcoin tests a lower level, for example, if Bitcoin goes down to 21,000 USDT, which is pretty possible, guys, to go down even more, to correct even more, then ADA might go down as well to 86 cents, right? I said it, guys, 86 cents. Of course, we need to have support levels. Right now, guys, things aren't looking so good. We hold the line though for the mid-long term. For the mid-long term, guys, I want you just to wait, to be patient. Don't, for those who bought at the top, do not worry, better days are coming. For now, please be careful. And also, just a quick reminder here, be careful of the scammers in the comment section. I hate them, guys, and of course you need to just put yourself away from them because they try to take you to advise professional experts or to send you a WhatsApp so you can communicate with them. Please be careful in the comment section, okay? So we can go now towards the price analysis and the price prediction, and if Bitcoin corrects more, guys, which I think it will do. I told you back from the previous videos, I believe, guys, due to technical analysis, it will correct. The demand and the supply might push the price upwards, but the technical analysis wouldn't allow me to tell you that we won't be correcting, okay? I didn't expect that much of a correction because that was a sort of manipulation, okay? So the buyers can go in, buy the prices, buy the dip, and of course right now what we are seeing here is that we might get even lower because the correction destroyed many technical analysis. That means that from the bullish environment that we were, we have gone into a bearish environment even in the technical analysis. Right now for ADA against USDT, in order to say that we are going upwards, we need to see Bitcoin going upwards as well. So Bitcoin might have here a swing high. Even if it gets there, guys, doesn't mean that it will go upwards making higher lows and higher highs. It might mean that it goes up and then goes back down. We have seen this multiple times, but of course right now we should be careful for the short term. For the mid-long term, we are still looking fine, but in case we drop down, 87 cents is a very possible price support level, guys. For ADA, we might even go down further, and we need to be careful for that case. ADA against USDT isn't looking so good. ADA against Bitcoin in the weekly frame is looking fantastic there, guys, and that's why I am telling you, that's why I believe that this area right here that we're experiencing right now is a great buying opportunity for the long term. Not the financial advice, of course, but this is my personal belief because I think that bull run isn't over yet. I am almost certain that bull run isn't over yet, and we had the manipulation here going on. Of course, we had the signs in the technical analysis. Institution guys are doing technical analysis, okay? So institutions, even institutions are going with the technical analysis, and of course they were seeing that Bitcoin was approaching a top. Look at this, the line was getting more horizontal, and so we were approaching a top, week of distribution, or whatever you want to call it, guys. We were approaching a top, therefore we were going down, and I told you in my previous videos, If we don't go above 59,000 USDT, we won't go all-time highs again. And eventually after that we dropped so much in such short term that of course many of us experience a minus 50% portfolio, guys. Of course this happens if you are new to the cryptocurrency market. This happens all the time, so you don't have to worry about these corrections. But personally I believe you should just be a little bit careful for the short term. I'm not saying that we will be absolutely reaching the 87 cents. I'm just saying that if Bitcoin corrects more, then it will drag down many other altcoins as well as ADA. Of course, for the long term, we are having a buying opportunity here. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. And of course, stay tuned for many more videos, guys. Don't worry, stay calm, be patient. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. Patience is a virtue. Stay strong. Have a fantastic day. Bye.